If you love a clean space, but you hate having to worry about mopping and vacuuming and all of that jazz yourself, you need to get one of these. This is the Roborock Qrevo. It is a mop and vacuum combo. It does it all. So I'll tell you a couple things that I love about it. The fact that it has, so it's got two different containers at the top. One is your clean water, one is your dirty water. So it's self-emptying as well. So you don't have to be home when this is doing it. You don't have to watch it. You don't have, in fact, if you forget to turn it on or your timers aren't what you want it to be, you can open the app from anywhere and start cleaning when you're not even home. So love that. My favorite thing to do is to turn it on at night when I go to bed, wake up in the morning, fresh vacuumed carpets and clean floors. It is able to maneuver around the things that you've left out. If you forget to leave things out, if you forget and leave things out, it'll work around it. However, it's great to make sure that it's all, you put everything away before you go to do your mopping and vacuuming. You go to bed and it does the work while you sleep. There is nothing better than a robot to do your work for you. So I am going to show you this in action. It is just an amazing little device. So as soon as you set it to turn on, it probably takes about 5 minutes to get going. It, I don't know, heats up the water, cleans the mops, does all of that before it starts. And now, as you can hear, sounds like it's getting ready. There we go. It says it's resuming cleaning. There's the mop part.
Do you have enough?
As you can see, it's going over there by the shoe rack, but it is not getting stuck. And you set it up the first time when you do it, and it'll map your entire space. So it will go around and mop and vacuum your entire space based on the initial map that you set up. Right now there's a garbage bag there that needs to go out. It's having no problem maneuvering around the garbage bag. Love it. You have got to get yourself one of these. The ability to just set it and go and not worry about, oh, a bag on the floor, it's just going to maneuver around. Maybe we don't want it to be doing that around the bag, but you know, this tripod, it's going to move that out of the way. And now it is going onto the carpet around the couch, and it has started to vacuum. So like I said, it will just alternate between vacuuming and mopping depending on where it is. This is a genius piece of equipment. And, oh, lifted up the carpet a little bit there, but it will make its way over it. So there you have it. Look at that. And now it is vacuuming the carpet. You are going to want to try one of these things out. Yes, got to get yourself one. I highly recommend it. Absolutely love this device.